Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase. So first head over and launch your Coinbase Wallet app, and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on the wallet icon found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then next is click on the settings or gear type icon found at the top right corner of your screen. And now from the settings page, click on address. It is usually found just below the wallet section. And here you can see the recovery phrase setting. So click on it. This small window will then pop up asking for you to grant access permissions. So click on the allow button. And here, before you can fully view your recovery phrase, the app will ask you for some verification. You will also be asked, are you being scammed? So you can just proceed by clicking on no, I'm safe. And once done, you can now view your recovery phrase and copy it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.